honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I have an unboxing of a rib rack from the SoLigt company. So let me show you how this box came in the mail. It was battered. Okay, it had the Amazon packaging and the packaging tape, and then somebody had taped over it, and it was half open when I got it from the post office. I wasn't sure what I was going to find when I opened it. Well, anyway, I'm glad that the company put it in this box. It's called SoLigt. I guess that's the right pronunciation of it. It's an extra large stainless steel rib rack for 18-inch or larger barbecue grills. How it comes. This, y'all. Very nice, heavy duty stainless steel. And I like that it has large spaces between each rack. Okay, this says it will hold 3 full slabs of ribs. 1, 2, 3. And I've had rib racks before, and the spaces are so close together. When you put your seasoned ribs in the slots, they're so close together that the slots themselves actually rub the rub off. You know, the seasoning. But these are wide enough, and that shouldn't happen. Haven't used it yet. Okay, I have a frozen slab here. Of course, by it being frozen, it's not going to, I don't think it'll fit all the way down. Oh, yes it will. So it has nice space in between each rack. Look at that. And that's frozen. Of course, when you thaw it out, it's going to be more malleable. So you won't be scraping the seasoning and the dry rub and stuff all off. So I like that. And knowing me, I'm going to put something on these other 2 slots. The handles. So it's easy just to carry the whole rib rack to the grill, or you can just put it on your grill and put your meat in the slots. Okay, I like this. And I'm not going to actually use it for another week. That's when I'll be barbecuing maybe 3 or 4 slabs. Okay. So, once again, this is from the SoLigt. SoLigt. SoLigt company. And they gave this to me for my honest review. So this is just my unboxing review. I will show it on the grill at another time. Extra large stainless steel rib rack for 18-inch or larger grill. So, and with my other rack, I have to cut the slabs up and put them in the slots. But not with this. It's a whole slab. Look at that. Very nice. And it's got good weight to it. And it's stainless steel, so it's easy to clean. Okay, I like that. I'm loving stainless steel more and more now. But I've been getting so many gadgets like stainless steel. Okay, I want to thank you for watching. And another video is following this shortly. maybe in about a week or 10 days or so, where I'll actually be putting this to the test with the ribs on it, on the barbecue grill. I got charcoal grills. Okay. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up. Leave a nice comment and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed day. Okay. Bye.